Hi, I'm Ashley, a cybersecurity expert at Webroot. Today, I'm going to talk to you about online shopping tips. When you consider phishing scams, ransomware, and other threats online, it makes you think twice about making any purchases. And you'd be right to use caution. The internet can be a scary place. But with a few basic steps and a little know-how, you and your family can shop online safely and securely. So let's get started with some tips. First, use a virtual private network, or a VPN. When you're signed to an unsecured network, like the Wi-Fi at your local coffee shop, maybe your grandchildren's school, criminals can hack your device and spy on what you've been doing online. Be sure to use a VPN to protect your data and connection from prying eyes as you work, share, bank, and browse online. You can watch our video on VPN to learn more. Second, choose payment cards wisely. If a criminal gets a hold of your debit card information, your bank may not replace all the money they steal. Credit cards are the safer way to pay. And when you're entering credit card details online, make sure it's over a secure connection. It's worth repeating, use a VPN. Third, think before you click. You probably are used to getting emails and ads from your favorite sites with special sale offers, and sometimes those emails lead to major discounts. But keep in mind that scammers use our appetite for a good deal against us. Fake phishing emails can look exactly like real deals, and criminals send tons of them during peak shopping times of year, like back to school or the holidays. So watch out, and be wary of links in emails and messages. Even if you know the sender, hover over the link before you click them to double check the URL, or I recommend type the URL into your browser directly. And if you want to learn more about phishing emails and how to stay safe, watch our phishing video. Fourth, deactivate Bluetooth, especially in crowded areas like shopping malls and airports. Bluetooth makes it easy for anyone within about 32 feet of you to hack your phone. And finally, protect yourself. The best way to prevent criminals from stealing your money or data or identity is to be proactive about protecting yourself. Make sure you use strong antivirus software and unique, hard-to-guess passwords for all of your accounts. If you need any advice for creating those strong passwords, check out our password video. Now that you're armed with these 5 simple tips, you can click with confidence when you shop online. For more cyber safety, check out the rest of our video series.